So briefly, I'd like to talk a little bit about what procedures are inbounds and out of bounds for state collection agents. For the most part, state collection agents are expected to be courteous. They are expected to expeditiously move their cases through the state collections procedures, and they are expected to try and work with the taxpayer to facilitate a resolution. In practice, some agents are more difficult to deal with than others. It is oftentimes a lot harder to work with an agent who is on a state level because a lot of time there's not that face-to-face contact that you have with the IRS, or you get a state collection agent who is under external pressures to collect revenue or to enforce the collection actions much more severely. That, coupled with the fact, again, that there are very few taxpayer rights, makes things a little bit more difficult to deal with. However, there is a general standard for how state collection agents are supposed to behave. So there is a published list of prohibited collection activities. So all state collection agents are required to comply with the Federal Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. So state collection agents are prohibited from harassment. They're prohibited from using obscene or profane language, from making threats against the taxpayer, to tell them that they've committed a crime, to tell them that they will disclose confidential information to outside parties. They are also prohibited from providing false or misleading information. State collection agents cannot state that they're attorneys. They cannot state that they are criminal investigatory agents. They cannot state that they are going to come and arrest you.